Their judgment, the Court of Appeal have stated the law the way it should be. They have affirmed that the presidential candidate of the Labour Party is qualified under Section 131 of the Constitution and is also not disqualified under Section 137 of the Constitution. So it's a well-considered decision.
So what are the grounds for dismissing the suit of the appellant?
Okay, they have raised an issue that the name of our presidential candidate is not in the register of membership, which Labour Party submitted to INEC 30 days to their primary election, to which the court disagreed with them, that assuming that his name was not in that register, that it still does not amount to a disqualifying factor, because the Constitution is very clear that for you to be eligible to run for the office of president, you are merely required to be a member of a political party and being sponsored by that political party. Do you understand what I'm saying? So the Constitution is very clear, and that is exactly what the Court of Appeal has stated this afternoon.
The Court of Appeal has spoken concerning the issue we have brought to court. Well, the judgment is partly against us, as you have heard. There are some other fundamental points which they have ruled in our favor. So when we receive the judgment, we will review it together with the client, then we know the line of action.
So which areas were ruled?
With respect to the issue of statute bar, they said no, the action was not statute bar, that we filed the action at the right time. So even though the issue of local standard was ruled against us, so there are some other issues, about 4 issues were resolved in our favor.
So given the short time before the presidential election, will you be able to appeal like the time?
We are supposed to get a judgment hopefully before the end of the week. So we can to file an appeal, just a matter of subject to, it's not as if we're going to file an appeal, it's subject to what we perceived. When we receive the volume of the judgment, we look at it together with the client. It's not for the lawyer to choose to appeal or not. It's all about the client. If he's dissatisfied with it, then we take it from there.
Your name is?
Wole Balogun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.